Welcome back to Carverse, where we bring you the latest and greatest rides on the road. Today we're diving into something that's equal parts practical and exciting. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. Chevy has a long history of building dependable vehicles, and now they've put that same know-how into creating a motorhome that blends comfort, modern tech, and solid performance without breaking the bank. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome has a fresh, modern look that stands out without being flashy. It's built on Chevy's new heavy-duty chassis, giving it a sturdy yet streamlined silhouette. The front features a bold chrome grille with the classic Chevy bowtie logo, sleek LED headlights, and practical fog lamps for those early morning drives. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, giving passengers plenty of natural light and views on the road. There's an electric awning that extends at the push of a button, providing the perfect shaded outdoor space wherever you park. Inside, the Chevrolet Motorhome feels surprisingly upscale for its price point. Step through the wide automatic door and you're greeted by a bright, spacious interior with smart use of space. The living area features a comfy, U-shaped sofa that easily converts into an extra sleeping area, plus a pop-up 50-inch smart TV and a built-in surround sound system. The interior design combines durable yet stylish materials, soft-touch upholstery, wood-look vinyl floors, and brushed metal accents. The kitchen comes fully equipped with everything you'd need for life on the road. There's a 3-burner stove, convection microwave, full-size fridge, and plenty of counter space. Clever storage solutions make it easy to keep things tidy. And there's even a small pantry for extra supplies. You'll find the bedroom with a queen-size bed, plush mattress, underbed storage, and overhead cabinets. There are blackout shades for a good night's sleep and USB ports for charging devices. The bathroom includes a spacious shower with a skylight, modern fixtures, and a water-saving toilet, all designed with long road trips in mind. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is powered by a robust V8 engine paired with a mild hybrid system. It delivers around 400 horsepower, giving you enough power for highway cruising and climbing hills without stress. The ride is smooth thanks to Chevy's upgraded suspension system, and driver assist features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control add extra peace of mind. Starting at around $150,000, the Chevy Motorhome is one of the most affordable full-size motorhomes that doesn't skimp on features. It's perfect for families or couples looking to hit the open road in style and comfort without spending a fortune. That's our look at the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. Tell us what you think in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome reviews right here on Carverse. See you next time.